Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a GIF from a video in just a few simple steps. First, open up your web browser and search for video to GIF. I recommend using a site like esgif.com. Once you're there, press Choose File. Upload your video. And then click Upload Video. After it loads, you'll be able to preview the video. Now scroll down. Here you can set a start time and end time if you don't want the full video. Once you're ready, click Convert to GIF and wait for it to process. Your GIF will appear on the screen. If it looks a little choppy, you can increase the frame rate to make it smoother. Finally, just right-click on the GIF, select Save Image As, and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully made a GIF from a video. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.